Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see that if you want to add the college or high school details on Facebook on your profile, how we can do this. So all you have to do is just click on this account option right here and click on your profile. And from here, just head over to About section. And now from here, you can add your university, high school, whatever. So for example, I want to add a university. Let's write any university. This is for the example. You can just mention the time period when you graduated and all the further details about it, and attended for university or university postgraduate. You can save all of these details and whether you want to keep that public or private. Let's click on save. So the basic information will save as well if you don't want to mention further details about it. And now you can share this news on feed now if you want to notify the others as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos. Thank you.